How's it, everybody? Back with another hotel review video. This time, I'm at New York, New York. Let's go. This is very nice. Huh.
That's all there is to it.
Alright, so I just got into the room and I must say, this is really nice. So I watched a couple videos of hotel reviews from a while back when New York, New York wasn't renovated yet. But this was one of the rooms, or I think all of the rooms are all renovated. And you know it's kind of new because you can still smell the scent of new furniture. So as you walk right in, there's this big area right here. I think this used to be the closet, but now you got 3 hooks to hang your jacket or your coat. Then you got your big mirror right here, so you can check your fit, get ready for the nightlife. As you step right here, there's a whole lot going on right here. So you got this round mirror, bucket till you get some ice, and on your left there's an open door, and on your right there's 2 drawers. And the 2 drawers on the right, one you got your hair dryer, and your other one is just some miscellaneous stuff. Looks like some kind of plastic bag that says MGM Resort. And right here you got your 45-48 screen Samsung TV with a little bench right in front of it, so you can just sit down and chill out. Over here you got an open closet where you can hang your clothes. The second shelf there's a safe, and the bottom shelf you can just put whatever you need to put. And there's a closet right here where it has your iron board, and there are also extra hangers where you hang your clothes. And one thing cool about these is they also have the soft close, so if you try to slam it so hard, you can't slam it. Right here you got a standing lamp, table, and a chair. I guess this is where will be the workstation since there's no desk, it's just a table. So this is where you can work and also where you can eat. And right here you got your king size bed, 2 counters on the side, and also 2 lamps. One thing cool about this lamps is they have 2 outlets, 1 USB, and there's a button where you can press to turn on the lamp, which is pretty cool. And then right here in the corner you got your chair, so you can just sit down and put up. And right here you got your bathroom. Bathroom seems kind of small, but this bar light on the top, it really lights up the whole bathroom. You got a small sink right here. You got a vanity mirror, so ladies, you gotta do your makeup, you can do it right here. You got your toilet, and you got your tub and shower right here. And some of you people that travel, maybe forget your shampoo and body wash, MGM's got you. They have 2 right here. And the theme over here at New York, New York is obviously New York City. As you see on the walls, you got art like some graffiti, paintings, brick walls, all these stuff that symbolizes New York City. It's pretty cool. I like how they did it. So the room I got is the Soho King. It's about 350 square feet, 340. So actually I got this room for $59 a night. Today's a Sunday, and when I booked it, that was the cheapest date. Of course, from here on out, the rooms are going to be really expensive because next weekend is Super Bowl weekend, which I'm not going to be here because I'm going to be working, and I'm very mad, like I'm going to go to it anyway. Freaking nosebleed tickets is about 8 to 10 grand. Oh, and you want to check out the view? Let's check out the view. What view I got? Oh, there's people going down the roller coaster. I got the view of the West Mountains in Vegas. There's a parking lot, there's that roller coaster. I'm right by T-Mobile Arena, and I'm right by Park MGM. And there's the park down there, which I'll be going down later on in the day and see what's about. Alright, so that's about wraps up the whole room tour. It's nice, smells nice, but for some reason, when I stepped in here the first time, I smelled something else that I'm not supposed to be smoking in here, but maybe it's the last guys that stayed in here that were getting so high. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna settle in, maybe relax a little bit, then afterwards I'm gonna go out and walk around New York, New York, see what New York, New York's about.
Sometimes I feel like that
Alright, so I'm over here walking around the park, chilling out, seeing what they got over here. They got some places like Beer House, Losers, it looks like a bar. You used to have a CPK over here, but I guess it closed down a while back. You also have New Store It. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's that guy, Salt Bay, that owns it. They got T-Mobile Arena back there, which is gonna have all UFC 300, Joel Coy comedy show, Justin Timberlake, and I'm gonna miss it all because I'll be working. Damn it. Oh, and got her back there. Ain't she gorgeous? And on the left side of the entrance, you got Top Roast, Shake Shack, Tom's Watch Bar. If you want to watch the games, especially this coming weekend, and it's going to get crazy. I see over here they got a Cheetos Chapel. I don't know what this is about, but I guess you want to get married while eating some Cheetos, do so. It looks like they got a lot of stuff setting up for the Super Bowl, and you know it's sponsored by Doritos. If you guys look on the Lux store, they got the whole banner of Doritos. It looks pretty cool. You got some other stores that's connected to the inside. If you're a chocolate lover, they got the Hershey store right here. I used to buy a lot of candy, but I gotta stop because I gotta get sexy for the summer. I think I got a belly.
And he said goodbye. He said, I'm
in the casino and it's really spread out. You got one area, you got your game slot. Another area, you got the tables. As you go more in, there's even more tables and more slots. Oh, there's a Starbucks over here too. All right, so I'm right over here eating dinner at Chin Chin's. Looks pretty good. I've been craving for some sushi for a while and I haven't ate sushi in a while, so I'm gonna see what they got and I'm probably gonna get them. So I'm gonna get me the spicy tuna roll, shrimp tempura roll, tuna poke tacos, and I might get one more, I'm not sure. But if I get the one more, it will be the salmon poke taco. Ooh, I can't wait to eat some sushi. Ooh, I'm hungry. I like the vibe in here. It has that modern Asian look, marble tables and some decor all over the walls and stuff, and it looks really nice. Now I'm just waiting for my food. All right, so I decided to get the spicy tuna roll, spicy tempura roll, and a spicy tuna taco. Looks really good. About to go in. Try the spicy tuna without the soy sauce. Like a cold. Still got that spicy in it. Really fresh though. Not a tempura. I like it with the flaky on top. It's really nice. Now the taco. That's really good. Ooh, I love sushi. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna finish this food and I'll go back to the room and tell you how I feel about this place. All right, so I just got back from eating at Chin Chin and it's really good. I like their sushi. The sushi is really good. I haven't had sushi in a while, so I was really looking forward to it and it lived up to my expectations. So if you guys ever in New York, and need a place to eat and feel like eating some sushi, Chin Chin's where it's at. I recommend it. I know the night's still young, but I'm gonna call it a night. I got some editing I gotta do, but before I do this, I'm just gonna go and take a shower, relax a little bit, try to get this editing done, and I'll catch you all in the morning. Morning. So I just woke up maybe about 30 minutes ago and checking my emails and stuff. As you see, it's raining outside. I'm about to check this one quick one, then I'm about to go downstairs and get some breakfast. I don't know where, but I'll find a place. Alright, so I decided to have dinner at America restaurant.
Best
breakfast.
This is the only restaurant in New York that's open 24/7. And as for breakfast, I'm always gonna get me buttermilk pancakes. So I'm gonna try whatever one I can and hopefully it's good. So I'm getting the old-fashioned pancakes, which is buttermilk pancake. Whenever I eat breakfast, I always gotta eat pancakes. Unless I'm back in Hawaii, where we got fried rice, Portuguese sausage and eggs, which sounds really good right now. But then all the other Hawaii places don't open until 11 or later, or I could just make them at home. But since I'm doing this hotel review, I'll eat pancakes instead. All right, so I just got my old-fashioned pancakes. Comes with 4 stacks of pancakes. Oh man, I wonder if I can finish this. I'm not sure. In the last video, I didn't finish it, so I'm gonna try and finish it. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. One thing about this pancake so far is it's easy to cut. It's not big like the other ones that I've ate at, but it's a good size. Yeah, sometimes when you're cutting two pancakes, it spreads apart. It doesn't stay one place. This actually stays one place and it cuts really easy. Unless this butter knife is pretty sharp, but I doubt it. Now I'm gonna pour my syrup and I'm gonna try it. Not bad, pretty good. Because the other time with the pancakes, I didn't eat it all, or it was kind of dry, was because I didn't put butter in. Totally forgot about putting the butter in, but this time I did on this pancake, and it's really good. It's not dry, not wet, it's right in the middle. And it's pretty small, so I might just eat this one. Right now, I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast. After, I'm gonna go back up to the room, get ready to check out, and tell you what I feel about New York. All right, so I'm back in my room, and before I check out, I'm gonna give you guys what I think about New York, Las Vegas Casino. So here's all my pros and cons. I'll do the pros first. The pros is, obviously, the area. So New York is an MGM property, also surrounded by neighbor properties like Park MGM, MGM Grand, Excalibur, Aria, and you're also right next to T-Mobile Arena. So if you're flying from out of state or a different country, and you wanna go to a concert here at T-Mobile Arena, you can stay over here at New York, or Park MGM, which I will be doing a hotel review over there in maybe a couple of weeks. And another pro about this place is variety. A whole bunch of variety. Meaning of variety is variety of food. If you guys don't know, maybe you weren't paying attention. If you guys don't know by now, New York is actually influenced by New York City. It's got that feel like you're walking through a New York alley or the streets of New York. So one place you got your American, another place you got your Mexican, another place you got Italian. Whatever different ethnicity of foods, they got it right over here. Maybe the only thing they're missing is Hawaiian. So I'm in the New Yorker A building, which is pretty cool. If you guys don't know, I'm in the Soho King, which I don't have the strip view, but also got a pretty good view of the West Mountains and down in T-Mobile Arena. In New York, there's a whole bunch of variety of slots. It's pretty much all over the place. It's spread apart. It's in a big area. One area you got your slot, and another area you got your tables. You got the high limit. Another pro is the rooms. So most of the rooms, or maybe all the rooms here in New York, were all renovated. You can tell because you can smell the fresh scent of new furniture. And also it's pretty cool because of the wallpaper they have, which the brick wall, which represents the buildings, and the walls that represents art, graffiti, paper that they post on the wall for something like an event. And the workers over here are really nice. If you walk by, they nod you, they tell you good morning. Some of the people that stay here are really nice also. I got into some conversations with people, where they're from and whatnot, or they just look at my camera and ask where I got this camera from. The 2 hostess in the front where I ate at breakfast, they were really nice and they're pretty amazed by my camera. So I showed them all the perks and specs and stuff. They're really cool about it, so shout out to the 2 hostess out of America. And one of the pros that I also like about it is the bathroom. I don't know if you have the same problem as me, but when you go to the bathroom and you don't want to turn on the light, because when you turn on the light, it brightens up your eyes and you end up being awake. If you want just dark or dim, so at least you can see what's in the bathroom while you're doing your thing, the bar light on top of the mirror is dim a little bit, just enough so where you can see what you're doing, either if you're using the bathroom or just washing your hands without turning on the light full brightness. Which is pretty cool, because once I turn on the light and it's bright, I'm up already. I'm still feeling sleepy. I don't want to get something bright in my eye. So that's one thing good about the bathroom up here at New York. Now for the cons of this place, I don't know. I mean, nothing for me, but maybe for some people, the long walk to the front desk. Here's from the parking structure, you walk through the bridge, past the meeting room, the arcade, going on the escalator, past a couple restaurants, and you're at the front desk. For me, it's not that far, but that could be one of the cons of this place. Unless you're parking in the front, where you can just drop off and go. And another con for a little itty bitty thing is cleanness. When I was taking a shower, I found a couple of long hairs on the walls. I could kind of see it when I was taking a shower. I had to wash it down the drain. And on the ground there was some sand. I don't know if it's sand or just dirt, or this room has been unoccupied for a while. I don't know, but otherwise than that, in the bathroom, everything else is clean. And also a con of this place is traffic. I see on Tropicana, they're working on the bridge and the off-ramp. I don't know if it's done yet. I'm not sure. I haven't drove over that bridge yet, but by the way things look over here, looks like both lanes are open. Huh. I gotta grab me some food at International Marketplace, so I'm just going straight there. It's just a couple of blocks from here. Otherwise than that, New York is a really good place to stay, especially with the hotel rate. I got it for $60 a night, but since this coming week is Super Bowl and other events going on, prices may vary. It will go up high and whatnot. Now, will I recommend you stay at this place? Oh yeah, definitely. It's one of the casinos that is smacked in the middle of everything, like every other property, which has different areas, different things to do. Right over here, it's really convenient. You can jump to your neighbor hotels, or if you want to go to a concert, there's T-Mobile Arena, home of the Vegas Golden Knights, Stanley Cup champs. Usually on Sundays, it's kind of a slow day, but the casinos was pretty packed. So hope you guys enjoy my review from what the places I eat and the places I've walked around, and check it out just to give you guys some info on what I feel about New York. So if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe to the channel, put in your notifications. I really appreciate it. Right now, I just gotta get ready and check out. And definitely a hotel that I will be coming back. Even though I live here, I don't want to get into that traffic. Maybe in the next concert, I might just stay here for the weekend or whatever. So once again, this is Manny. Until next time, aloha.
Just listen to these sounds.
The